Yeah, you don't want your video to play like that. So are you someone who records a lot of videos with their phones but you don't have a fairly recent computer, or you are using an application that is behind a paywall to use H.265, such as DaVinci Resolve or Plex Media Server, for example? So how do you get to play your videos smoothly on all platforms across all software? First up, I'm assuming that you already got the file from your phone or whatever device you had to your computer. Save it in a good place, such as a desktop. So next up, you need to download Handbrake. The link is in the description. Now click on File, then select the file you copied to your desktop. Go to the Video tab, select H.264. Now preferably you would want to select NVENC or QuickSync if they're available. If you don't see those options, most likely they're not supported for your computer. So just select default H.264, non-10-bit. Click on frame rate, then click on same as source. Now go to Subtitles tab and click on Clear. That's it. If you're doing a single file, it's time to click on Start Encode. Wait for the process to finish. Go to the exported folder. By default, it's the user video folder. Just open it. And voila, that's it, done. If you have a batch of files that you want to convert, you can do the folder method. Just click on the folder instead of file. Thanks very much for watching this video. Don't forget to drop a like if it helped you, share with a friend who's trying to play a video, subscribe and ding the bell. You know what to do. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.